Hello everybody, Lady B here again. Everybody has been really wondering what my announcement is, and like I said, you all are way overthinking this, but it's time. I gave you a hint yesterday, and the apron that I made on yesterday's video was the hint. Now, I never had a 1,000 sub giveaway, and what I've decided to do, and I've done this once before on a little bit smaller scale, but in celebration of my now 1,200 subs, I am doing a Cookout package giveaway, I guess you could say. But anyhow, I'll be back in just a minute and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here is what the package consists of. This is the apron that I made yesterday, and I've got it in a Ziploc bag to kind of protect it. And there are 2 small grill trays. And over here I have smokehouse marinades. There is mesquite, brown sugared bourbon, garlic, herb and wine, and 7-spice teriyaki. And here we have a steak rub and a rib rub. Over here we have honey mustard. Here we have smoky horseradish sauce. And here we have champagne dill mustard. And we got A1 bold and spicy Worcestershire sauce. Blah, 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 blah. This kind of sauce, W sauce. Everybody pronounces it different, and if you pronounce it the way it looks, Worcestershire sauce. So Worcestershire sauce is what everybody calls it. Anyhow, whoops, let me get this out of the way. Okay, then we have Laurie's Signature Steakhouse, and we have Laurie's Teriyaki with pineapple juice. Has some liquid smoke. This is natural hickory. And we have the liquid smoke, natural mesquite. And of course, you can't have a barbecue or a cookout without Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And this is the original barbecue sauce. And back there we have onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Now, if I can fit any more into that box that you saw back there, I will probably put a little bit more, but I've already got the bubble wrap in there. So if I can fit any more in, there might be another thing or 2 in there. Oh, main thing, I'm also going to put $20 in the box to allow for somebody to get their stuff that they're going, well, it won't allow, but it will help pay for stuff that you're going to grill out. So anyhow, my deal is you have to be a subscriber. Today is, and I can't remember what today is. Oh, it's Chance's birthday. It's the 13th. Let's run this for till the 21st. Yeah, let's do it till the 21st, and then I will draw either on the 21st or 22nd. If you want in on this drawing, and I'm sorry for the people, I've got several people that watch me out of this country, like in Canada and Australia and wherever, even UK. And I'm really sorry that the shipping is just horrible out of the country. So it's just the continental US. And if you want in on this drawing, I'll call it a celebration drawing for my 1,000 subs. Just put in the comments below that you want in on the drawing. And on the 21st or 22nd, I will draw and I will let y'all know. So anyhow, see, I told you all you was going to be disappointed in my announcement, and it wasn't nothing. But anyhow, like I said before, today is Chance's birthday. My grandson, he's my middle grandson, or the smallest ones anyhow. But I tried to call him today, and their mother has changed their phone number. I can't tell you how my heart sank. Even though she never answered the phone before, or never answered my texts, or whatever, at least I was able to leave them. Well, now I can't. And she has deleted her Facebook account, so I can't have other people go look for any more pictures or anything. So the last ones that I got that Bears here sent me will probably be the last pictures that I get. I hope and pray that their mother gets over what's going on, but I can't see it happening. But anyhow, you all say a prayer for me and pray for the safety of the kids, because I have no idea what's going on, whether they're being taken care of, fed, or anything. I would hope and pray that they are, but knowing what's going on, I just don't know. But anyhow, I've got to stay positive that one day, it may not be soon, but one day, those kids are going to need me. I just hope and pray they don't forget me in the meantime. But I'm going to try to stay positive about this. I mean, what else can I do? But anyhow, y'all let me know who wants in on this drawing. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope you all weren't very disappointed. But anyhow, we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Bye.